All right, this is the 1040 2021. We're gonna use this simple Erin Hills. So you fill out the personal information right from the W-2. This is the W-2 for this person. This person is single, the home address. If there's no foreign accounts, you will usually leave this blank as a donation for presidential campaign. You would not do that either. That's for somebody who is doing investing in the virtual currency. Someone can claim you as a dependent. Yes, in this case, it would be no kids, so that would be nothing there. On line one, you will put the wages from the wages, tips, and other compensations in one box one of the W-2. So 16,500. Leave it at that. No cents. There's If there were a 1099, you will add to this amount to the total amount in box one as total earnings. So you don't do a separate form. If you have a, let's say, 1099 for $2,000, well, then you would add it to this amount and making it a total of 18,500. But in this case, we're just going to leave it at 16,500 since there is no other source of income. And then there's no interest from a bank. All this will be zeros. No dividends, no taxable amounts, no credits or income from Social Security. Um, Capital gain loss, there will be zero. There is nothing else in there. Add 1 through 10, so including the box that we fill out, 1 through 10. Sorry, I missed one here. There's no other source of income. So add lines here, number 9. Add lines 1 through 8, and that will be the total income. So it will be the same as line number 1. Line 10, adjustments to income schedule 1 to 6. There is no any adjustment, so that will be 0. Subtract line 10 from 9. This is the adjusted gross income. Should be 0. Sorry, that would be the sum amount 16,500. Then line 12, that's where we look at the standard deduction. This person is single, so it will be a deduction of 12,550. There is no other charitable contributions. Lines 12 and B, you add that, and that should give you the amount of 12,550. Uh, Qualified business, there's no business. Some amount, so add 12 and 13, so 12,550. And then line 15, this is where we subtract line 14 from line 11, which is the total income. So 16,500 minus 12,550. So that's going to be 3,950. And that is the taxable income. So going to line 16, this is where we look at the table, looking at the income tax bracket, what this person owes. So this person owes, has a taxable income of 3,950. So 3,950 fall in here. What this person owes to the IRS is 398 dollars. So and that goes on line 16, 98, 398. Line 17 should be zero. Line 19 add 16 and 17, so 398. There's no child tax credit. There's no schedule 3. Add lines 19 and 20, so that's 0. Subtract 21 from 18. So zero, subtract 398 minus zero, that's still 398. Other taxes, no. Line 24, add 22 and 23, so 398. And here's where we put the tax withheld, which was 2097, so 2098 to round it up. So 2098. These two will be zeros, no other forms. We add those amounts, so 2098, 26. Right, so line 26 is zero because there is no estimated tax applied to 2020. Line 27, there is no earned income credit. It doesn't qualify. No taxable combat. It's not in the army. Uh, no taxes earned from 2019. Refundable child credit doesn't qualify for that. It's single. American opportunity, the same thing. These are all zeros. Uh, 31 says add schedule 3 from line 15. There's no, we don't have schedule 3. Line 32, add lines 27, 28, and 31. 27, 28, and 31, which all those are zeros. Add lines 25, D, which is up here, that's the tax withheld. 26 and 32, there is nothing in there, so we just end up with 2098. And line 34 says if line 33 is more than line 24. Line 23 is more than line 24. Yes, that is. So we need to subtract 2098 minus 398. And that'll give us 1,700 overpay. This is the amount that this person overpay in taxes. What is the amount that you want refunded to you? 1,700. So there is no money owed to the IRS. That could stay blank or put a zero on it.